Hi, I'm Dr. Carole Keim. Does your child have a cough? Well, first things first, when it comes to cough in children, there are no over-the-counter cold medicines that are both safe and effective. None. And cough suppressants are not safe at all. They work by making you not cough as much, but in children, they make them not breathe as much, and so there's a risk that they can stop breathing. SUDAFED can increase your child's heart rate, which can be dangerous. So what can you do? Well, honey. Honey is actually been proven to be a good, safe cough suppressant in children if your child is more than 1 year old. You can just give them a tablespoon of it straight up and I'm sure they won't complain. But if they do, you can also try mixing it into hot water. So what are some reasons to suspect your child might need antibiotics for that cough? Well, if they've been coughing for more than 2 weeks, that's an indication to get antibiotics. Also, if they're coughing to the point that they're throwing up or bursting blood vessels in their eyes, that could indicate that they have whooping cough. If you're worried that this cough has gone a little too far and your child might need antibiotics, or you think they might have whooping cough, please give me a call. I can come to your home, make a diagnosis, and prescribe as needed.
When going to the doctor just won't do, doctor at your door is there for you.